Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been around here for a while, you know I am a semi-homemade baker, so I love to use cake box mixes to make things easier. That's exactly what I'm doing to make these cake balls for the fondue setup. You want to microwave the melting chips in 20-second intervals until it becomes a smooth and dippable consistency.
Really good.
I hope you try this sweet fondue setup the next time you're having a sweet tooth craving, and let me know in the comments what your favorite chocolate dip treat is.